Hi, my name is Selin Guder. I am 10 years old. I'm in 4th grade and I live in Illinois. For my signature dish, I'll be making dolma. Most of you guys know it by stuffed pepper. So what you'll need is 5 to 4, or maybe even 6, peppers, 1 pound of ground beef. You can also use ground turkey or any other meat you'd like. 1 cup of rice that has been cooked for about 5 minutes after a boil. 1 cup of tomato sauce, but we will be using half a cup first. Now to get that all in there. Also a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 3 teaspoons of ground parsley flakes that are dry. So, you will also need an onion. I've only done half so I can show you guys how to cut the other half. But first, if you want to know how to prepare the rice, this is what you'll need to do. You're going to get the rice and pour it into the water and turn it on to high. Now I will also be preheating the oven. You're going to preheat the oven to 375. So, now I'll show you how to prepare the onion. So, you don't want to cut all the way to where So, you're just going to cut like strips, and the thicker, the fatter, like the bigger your onions will be, but the thinner you make them, like the smaller lines, like closer, the thinner they will get. Like, smaller your pieces will be. So you're just gonna finish it up, and then you're gonna go the other way, and you're just gonna move that out of the way. So, and you're gonna chop them down into pieces. Same thing, thinner and thicker, smaller and bigger. So, you just wanna go until you have that, until all the lines are gone. Take that piece and just throw it that way. And you just wanna go back and cut down all those little pieces. So, cutting them, just cutting them. So I'm going to add them. The mixture. And that was 1 whole onion there. Sort of cut it all over the place. So, actually, we need this here. Now we're going to set our mixture aside and prepare our pepper. So all you're going to do is cut the top off, and you're going to save the top. And you see that? You don't want to take a knife, because sometimes you can cut yourself. You're just going to get your fingers to pop out the core, and then you're just going to pull up. So you don't want any seeds, so just go ahead. So now you're going to go back to your mixture and knead this all together. So actually, once you've just slightly kneaded it, you just want them to be sort of slightly kneaded. You don't just add it immediately, because sometimes it doesn't, because then if you add it, it'll be sort of liquidy. Our secret ingredient. Only my mom and I know about this. I didn't know about this until last year. So, it is 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. It just adds a little kick to it. And it does make a very good difference. If you don't add it, So now I'm going to show you how to fill them. So you got your pepper. You don't have to mold anything. Just put it in there. And you don't want to leave every last space. There's still a couple more things we have to put in here. So you're just going to do it so you have just a little bit of space left. Just a little bit. So you're just going to take a piece of butter. Put it on each one. And so you saw we have leftovers. Well, most of you guys will have leftovers too. So what you can do is you can freeze them for up to 3 months and reuse them. Or if you're having family or friends come over, they'll probably, and they're eating this, they'll probably be like, oh, these are great. Can I have the filling recipe? And you're like, oh, I have some extras. Here, take it. So you know, you can do that. Now, we've got the remainder of our tomato sauce. Just pouring a little bit on each one. You don't want to spill out of it. Make sure you get into it. And it doesn't matter which cap you have, like which top, just put it on. Any single one would work. So you want to have a little bit over, you can have a little bit over to 1 cup to 1 cup more, depending on your dish. And we're going to cook these in a water bath. Just going to slowly pour it into the pan. So now we are going to place this into the oven for 50 minutes to an hour. Make sure none of them are tipping over because that would be sad. So yeah, I'm just going to put these into the oven. For, remember, 1 hour to 50 minutes on 375. Our peppers are done cooking, so it's time to take them out. The pan will be hot, so you want to use oven mitts. We have these cute little doggy ones from me. So, take them out.